I got my dream Hermes Kelly Pochette bag at just 19 years old, and I cannot believe I'm saying this, but mini me would literally be spiraling right now. So, ever since I was like 13 or 14, it's been my dream to own like a mini Kelly or a Kelly Pochette, and I just cannot believe that I have this bag in my hand right now. The fact that I have this bag so early on in my life just seems so unreal to me. So, now getting to the details of this bag, this is an Hermes Kelly Pochette in Mauve Sylvester with rose gold hardware. And one thing that's really unique about this bag is the hardware. Rose gold hardware is not seen as often as the gold hardware or the palladium hardware. So this combo is actually very unique, and Moth Sylvester, Rose Sakura, and a few other pinks are one of the most demanded bags from Hermes, but they don't really produce a lot of pinks. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on this bag. I had no plans of getting this bag. I was actually planning to get a Birkin 35 because I was on the wish list for it in London. But when I came across this bag, I knew that this bag was the right choice for me. So I was on the wish list for a Birkin 35 gold on gold, Togo leather, and I don't know, that bag just is a little too big. It is a bag that is pretty mature, so I've seen people usually travel with it. But I was keen on buying that bag till I came across this bag, and it just felt so much more me and felt so much more girly. So I decided to skip on the Birkin 35 and get this bag instead. So a lot of people compare this bag to the Mini Kelly, and honestly, the Kelly Pochette and the Mini Kelly are just very different. So the Mini Kelly is a very structured bag, and it is also very small compared to this in size, whereas this one is a little more relaxed and is larger in size, so it can fit a lot more things, which just makes it more practical. So I'm just a little over 5'7", and I feel the Kelly Pochette just fits my proportions better and looks better on me than the Mini Kelly. So I always had my eyes on this bag, not knowing I would get it so early on, and I honestly had no plans of getting Kelly Pochette until I came across this bag, and then my whole mind changed and everything, so I got this bag. Now, coming to the leather and the dimensions of the bag. So this leather is Swift leather, and Kelly Pochettes are mostly made either in Swift leather or exotics. So one thing that I love about this bag is that as it ages, it develops a nice sheen to it. Swift leather can actually resist scratches very nicely. Like, let's say you get a scratch on the bag, you can like easily just buff it out with your finger and you'll be done. So that is why I love this bag. I love this leather. It is so soft to touch, and I mean so pretty to look at. One more thing is that Swift leather absorbs colors the best out of all the leathers, and the colors just show more vibrantly on Swift leather instead of any other leather. So I feel like Mauve Sylvester just comes out way better in Swift leather than any other leather. And I just feel like this combination is just so pretty and it's so girly. But at the same time, I do want to be really careful with this bag because the leather does soften with time, and I do want to preserve this bag. So I'm gonna get an insert for this bag, and I'm probably just gonna keep it stuffed so that it doesn't end up losing its shape over time. I haven't taken out the stickers of this bag yet, but you shouldn't let the stickers stay on for long because it tends to absorb moisture and the hardware can actually get ruined because of that. Other than that, I'm obviously gonna add a twilly to the handle because with light colors like Mauve Sylvester, Rose Sakura, and all of these light pinks, the handle tends to get discolored because of all the moisture that's in your hands. So it's important to put a twilly on top to just like keep the handle safe and preserve it well. So this bag can actually fit a lot inside. I'm gonna make a separate video for that, but I'm just gonna tell you overall, it could fit my phone, my charger, some gum, a lipstick, a lip gloss, and many more things, a card holder. But I wouldn't want to stuff this bag too much because I do want the shape to stay the same or, just not get ruined. So I'm just gonna keep it light and not too heavy. So coming to the dimensions, the length of this bag is 22 centimeters, the height is 13 centimeters, and the depth is 7 centimeters. So this bag can easily fit an iPhone Pro Max, and it will still have a lot of space inside. That is why I absolutely adore this bag, and I'm so grateful that I got my hands on it. I got my hands on this bag through a reseller, and I am just so grateful to her. I'm so happy that I got this bag. But I genuinely cannot believe that this bag is mine. It still feels so unreal. And as soon as I got this bag, my heart was beating so fast. Because I mean, obviously, I'm holding my dream bag. 13-year-old me would have never imagined that I'd be, having this bag in the future. And I'm just so happy that I got it. So yeah, so that was all for today's video, and I'm just really grateful for this bag. Thank you so much for watching.